Well, happy Monday to you. The leaves are falling, as you can see. It's fall. It's no shave November. I think that's what they call it. I don't know if I'm going to go all the way through or not. Maybe. I've had beards off and on for years. Just not sure. What do you think? Anyway, talking about collaboration from my really good friend, Paul Machinko. He talks about collaboration is not possible with a clenched fist. You know, it's interesting. I had a clenched fist money moment about a month ago-ish. So it's interesting that this came up in the rotation again. But it's true, right? If you hold your cards so close to your chest that you can't even see your own cards, it's pretty hard to figure out which card to play. It's pretty hard to figure out what you want to do with somebody else. I recently had a conversation with somebody that's just super concerned about the competition. What are they going to take from me? And I'm more concerned with what can I give somebody else and bolster them up. Business takes care of itself when you take care of the little things. So unclench your fist. It'll probably be just fine. Have a great week.